What's the meaning of colonialist? Colonialist. Colonialist.
Colonialist. Colonialist. The term colonialist refers to a person, group, or government that seeks to establish and maintain political and economic control over another country or people. This often involves the exploitation of natural resources and the imposition of cultural norms and values. The impact of colonialism can be far-reaching and long-lasting, including the disruption and destruction of local societies, cultures, and economies. It has been widely criticized for perpetuating inequality and injustice, and for laying the foundations for many of the global conflicts and challenges we face today.